So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you create designs using Stitch. Firstly, before heading towards that, we have to check that what actually Stitch is. We obviously need some basic information that how actually Stitch works and what features does it have. So here we go. As you can see, what is a Google Stitch? Firstly, this is a tool made for designing apps with the help of AI. Let's see what features does it have actually. Has a feature of voice input as well as uh, like like you are designing some frames in Figma. So think of it like you are designing some frames in Figma. Now, what you have to actually do is you have to create multiple wireframes firstly. Then you have to go ahead and select the color palette and proceed with further designs. What Stitch will do is Stitch will skip the wireframing part, or you can say it can obviously do that if you want to, and it will directly provide you the customization of your website as per your prompt. And the prompt can be given through website references, through voice input, and you will get instant results. So firstly, let's just try Stitch. When you search on Google, you will find something like this. Just click on the first link. Okay, so you can see that here we have many examples here, but let's give it a prompt like we want a web app. For that, we want like make an e-commerce website, which is a very basic example actually. Now, if you hit enter, you will see that it has started generating your frames. Here you can see agent log also. When you will just click on this, you can see multiple things like design direction and like what this will contain actually, like homepage, product listing, and product details. So now we have to choose like this is okay, or we have to add something more. You can see different options here. Okay, if you want to start with this only, then you can start with this. Like if you want to add more features, then you can directly prompt here or choose any options from this above list. I will add a user profile also. Add a user profile page basically. You can see that this currently is working. If I want, I can actually give more prompts. Add, you can see that our design has started upcoming. Like if I want to add like add multiple product pages. This is just for showing you that one agent is working, and I will just create another agent to work. This is just for that because we can see that we can work with multiple queries here at the same time with multiple agents. The second screens are being generated by the second agent. You can see the first agent is designing these particular screens. You can see the first agent log. The first agent is creating the UI flows. This is gonna take some time, so we will just skip to the part where it is completed. So yeah, we can see that our work is done. Now we can actually preview these designs. Like this is the landing page or home page, you can see. If I want to preview this, we can instantly preview this. Now this is creating a prototype. when we have selected the preview option. This is the prototype. I can just double click to open it. See, this is the preview of our website. You can see that this is a very clean website, very neat and clean website. Feels like a premium one. Okay, since this is not actually connected to the routes, so we can currently not switch to anyone actually. So that was the basic preview of Stitch, what Stitch can actually do. So that's all for this video, guys. Now let's see you next time.